Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to design photo manipulation masks. Start by identifying the areas that will be altered or enhanced, then refine selections using Mask Overlay mode for complete control over visibility and blending. Apply masks to adjustment layers, textures, or external elements to build complex manipulations while keeping edits organized and reversible. Use soft brushes and gradual transitions to avoid harsh boundaries between manipulated and original areas. Optional tips include stacking multiple masks for different manipulation stages and labeling layers for workflow clarity. Mask-based photo manipulation allows